Hi everyone, welcome back to our new video. So for today's video guys, I'm gonna show you on how to remove the payment method that link to your Google account or to your Play Store account. So there are a lot of happenings that the Play Store or the Google are automatically deducted to your wallet account and deduct money from your wallet. So today I'm gonna show you on how to remove the payment method that link to your Play Store or to your Google account. So first, go to the Play Store and click on your profile account and click on the payments and subscriptions, and then go to the payment methods. And as you can see, I have here the GCash account or the GCash wallet that linked to my Play Store account, so I will remove it so that it will not automatically deducted any amount of money from my GCash account. So in order to remove it, scroll down and click more payment settings, and then wait for it, and then scroll down, and then you can see your GCash account, and then click remove, and then click remove and save. And then go back to the Play Store, tap again to your profile account, and then payment and subscriptions, and then payment method, and then as you can see, the GCash payment method that linked to my Play Store are already removed. And thank you for watching.